We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. No nut November has begun. At this time, all citizens of the United States who are male, or who identify as male, must refrain from nutting until December 1st. All male citizens are advised to hide any and all pornographic materials in their possession, and to take cold showers when necessary to reduce the temptation of nutting. Do whatever you can to distract yourself from the nut. An emergency action termination message will be sent out to all broadcast stations and cable systems on December 1st at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. However, until that time, this emergency action notification message will stay in effect. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KCBS-TV. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.